Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're doing these oven roasted sliced potatoes. They're absolutely delicious. They've got cheese, bacon, onion, a dollop of sour cream. You're gonna love them. Let's get started and let me walk you through this. So what I've got here is a fairly large potato, and I'm just going to kind of snip the end off here. And then I'm going to cut these into about, I'd say half-inch pieces. And it's entirely up to you. If you want to peel it, go ahead, but I like the skins. Okay, now I'm going to place these on a baking pan, lined with some parchment paper. And you can use a baking mat too if you like. It's entirely up to you. Now what we're going to do is drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the top. You can use the oil of your choice, but I just love olive oil, or even melted butter. After that, sprinkle some salt, and of course my favorite spice, some ground black pepper. Now we're going to slip these into a 400-degree Fahrenheit 200 Celsius oven for about 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, they're fork tender, just incredibly gorgeous. Now I'm going to add some sharp cheddar cheese over the top. Now I like this cheese, but you can use the cheese of your choice. Some bacon. Another one of my favorites is bacon. Some green onions. Oh, these are going to be so good. And we're going to slip these back into the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until the cheese melts. After about 5 minutes, the cheese is beautifully melted. I'm going to top these bad boys off with a dollop of sour cream. They smell absolutely delicious. And there you have it, guys, our cheesy roasted sliced potatoes. Absolutely delicious. You're going to love them. Okay, let's dig in and give these a taste test. Oh, guys, these are to die for. Excellent appetizer, side dish. The potatoes are so tender. The bacon, the onion, the dollop of sour cream, just incredible. You got to make this. I mean it. For this recipe and many more others, head over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff there. Thanks for subbing and thanks for watching, and see you next time.